guys. So the question I get asked a lot regarding shuffle dance community is which shoes are better to dance and practice shuffle dancing in. So I got them all. I tried them all. So let's get into it. My first shoes I got actually no. Sorry. Let's start this again. The first shoes I had obviously were Converse shoes. I wear Converse since forever. I tried shuffling in them, and I don't know if maybe these shoes are the reason why I quit actually shuffling that I started 3 years ago. I tried and then it wasn't really working out. So these shoes are not good to practice in. These shoes are not good. I don't recommend them. They're gonna hurt your feet. You're just gonna hurt yourself. So I don't dance in them, period. They're just like to go out. All right, so next shoes I got were these. They actually have no. The brand is Cape Robin, and I got them on eBay. These are 2 pairs. These are brand new. I don't wear them because they kind of feel chunky on your feet, so I didn't really like them. But these, as you can see, I danced in quite a bit. Yes. Still cannot throw them away. They're comfortable. They're very nice to learn gliding and sliding. So these are cool. Next, there was a whole fashion for Filas, so of course I got some. Actually, I have them in 3 different colors for all occasions, obviously. Yeah, but you know, the shuffle community kind of went away from Filas, but I still really like them. They're chunky and whatever, but if they challenge you to actually do the work, and they are also really cool because they protect your toes, so you can learn all kinds of toe spins and like walk on your toes. They're like very good protection, although you gotta watch your ankles with them. But I really love them till now. I use them. I love making videos. They look amazing, I think, when you're like in a costume and whatever. I think they look super cool. Next, of course, Vans. These are a classic and probably best shoes ever out of all of these. Spoiler alert, these are the best. I don't dance in those anymore because I need to buy new ones because these ones, I killed them. Yeah, but they're very comfortable. They're not so cool for your toe spins and whatever. You see, like, it's very thin, and if you would want to stand on your toes, it's kind of like, you can see I've done a lot of those, and it's very dangerous for your toes. I've never hurt mine, but you know, you gotta watch out. It's almost like for each element there is like specific shoes that I would wear. Like some moves I cannot do in these shoes that I can do in those, you know what I mean? Next, so classic, the best, 100%. But watch your toes. Next, Nike Air Max. Pretty damn good. Yes, these are the ones that it's a little bit strange at first, but once you get used to it, oh my, it's like you're wearing nothing, and it really protects your soles. It has a nice feel to it, but again, no toe spins, nothing crazy. It's very thin here. It's very, very, like, everything here is soft, so it's not gonna work out. So it's more like for fusion. I'd say hip hop would be really cool. I mean, I still practice in them because they feel soft, like they are nice. I like them. Okay, and the last but not least, Supras. that I just got, my latest addition. I love these. Sale! First day I was dancing in them today, and I really like them. So these two, very similar. It was challenging for me to find my size. I had to like reorder twice. I think they run very big, so I think I ordered 10, and I'm usually like 10 and a half, mostly like 10 and a half, and these 10 are feels a little bulky here, but it was just the first day. It's not broken down yet, so I think these are gonna be very nice. Like here the ankle is like thick and soft, so it really gives you like a lot of protection. So I really like them. That's it. So in conclusion, oh no, I'm sorry. You're like, oh, there's one more pair and she's not saying anything about it. I mean, it's not really, I just put them here because they are colorful and I like them, and so you can see all of the shoes I love because I love shoes. Adidas running shoes. Nothing special. Not really for dancing. I think just for walking, but sometimes I like to use them because they are colorful, and I haven't found any other pair that is as colorful as these. But it's not really good for dancing. That's why I didn't say anything. So my top choice are Vans, then Supras, and then Nike Air Max. So if you're starting to learn just now, get these. It's golden. You'll be good. Or then get these two and you'll see the difference for yourself. It's like such a big difference between these two. But it's really cool. Hopefully this helps and answers a lot of the questions. Leave me a comment down below if you have more, and I'll see you next time. Bye.